In regulated environments, confidence in your test data isn't optional, it's fundamental. That's why the Instron Autoinjector testing system includes system suitability testing, a built-in process that verifies your equipment is capturing accurate traceable measurements. Using the System Suitability Kit with standardized components, including certified masses, precision machined pins, and a characterized spring-based fixture, you can verify the performance of critical measurements, including force results, delivered volume, and needle depth. Bluehill Universal software makes it simple. The Autoinjector testing system includes system suitability test methods that guides the operator step by step through the entire process, ensuring consistency and compliance. Once completed, results are automatically logged in the audit trail, creating a digital record for full traceability. And with scheduled prompts at predefined intervals, such as at the start of each day or shift, you can ensure collection of critical results won't proceed until system performance is verified. System suitability testing helps you meet regulatory requirements, ensure device quality, and maintain trust in your data for every single test. Instron, the difference is measurable.